In 2025, I would have loved to visit the UK. I for like make I dey UK, like make I just spend my life for UK. But the fact still remains that people in the UK, all of them, they pack shit. Everybody for UK, they pack shit. Everybody. So because of that, it will be time make I just do my day. Or probably I'll move to another country. Maybe if I go to that country, I would do fine because how will I leave my good job? How will I leave my best job here just to go to the UK to pack shit? I'm not cut out for that. So I'll rather stay in Nigeria than even go to the UK to pack shit. So I ain't doing that. Not in 2025.
That's my shit, that's my wave, do it like that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kash and I'm back again with another beautiful, insightful and interesting video. Una go say I don't carry myself come with Suna. I don't come. I have brought myself to you people's table. No problem. Please take it easy on me. And don't chop me. Don't cut me into pieces. Pity me. I mean, no roast me. Just calm down. Hear what I want to talk. Listen to what I have for you people today, because this topic I brought to your table, now very hot one, now hot topic. So we have to like discuss this because it's kind of a serious issue and a serious discussion that I think a lot of people need to like, you know, ponder about and also speak on. Tell me why in 2024, a lot of people are still choosing to rely on information that they get online, to rely on little clips, maybe small clips or small information whether they see online. They decide to like rely on that and probably not really focus on getting more information or insight regarding that situation. You know, one thing about me, I'm all about you getting information. You getting information from the right source. You doing your research. I love research so much. I love like, you know, browse about something, ask question. Even if you don't get where you want browse, ask question from people. One or two people will definitely attend to your question or answer your question. Recently, I was asked by someone, and the person not like asked a question, the person like was discussing with me, and the person was telling me something about I would have loved to come to the UK, or I would have loved to probably go to another country. But the fact remains that in UK, a lot of people, almost everybody is packing shit. And I heard that if you don't pack shit for UK, they're not going to give you paper. I was shocked. The thing surprised me because, you know, there are some things that you are not expecting from someone, most especially someone that is actually learned, to like ask you. If you're watching this video, but I kind of imagine that a lot of people might actually be in that position. A lot of people might actually be in that shoe and also thinking the same thing that this person is thinking. And because of that, I say, wait, my people need to hear this thing. I need to talk to now. Because if I don't talk to now, it's possible say you people also feel it, or you also think that is what is happening. And myself now can't live that life, say I don't want to go UK because if I go UK now shit on go pack. Because everybody they pack shit for UK, and because of that, me I don't want pack shit. As the president picking wife, I don't want pack shit. Anyways, guys, that is actually far from the case. That is actually not true. It's not everybody here that is doing that stuff. Yes, not be everybody they do. It's not everybody that have to do that before they get paper for this country. There are some people that actually work regarding what they studied. If you study marketing like me as a marketing student, definitely I feel to work for marketing firm. I can work with a big brand. It might surprise you people that I'm going to very soon work with Apple brand. I am speaking this into existence, Apple, or to work with Google. You get that kind of feeling. And they always talk about Apple because I don't promote this Apple I don't promote them very well. So imagine I might end up working with them as a marketing like personnel in their firm. So a lot of people actually work like regarding what they studied. So it's not everyone that end up doing what you're thinking that they are doing. It's not everyone that is packing shit. It's not everyone that must pack shit before they have paper. There are some companies, there are some tech companies that actually sponsor, maybe few, but there are some. There are some what's it called? Maybe you're doing, see, before you start off this particular stuff, yeah, there are some, say step by step deba. If you enter a new country, most times it might not just go forward like that. Most times you still start from small. But so there are some people in tech firm, in commercial firm as well. There are some people in medicine. People come into this country as a nurse. People studied medicine, and not be them. They don't pack shit. People that study medicine or nursing in school, after they graduate, they are working in the hospital. No, they pack shit. They know they pack shit. People that did computing or computer in their schools and they came in like with tech knowledge, then they work for firm and they are doing well for themselves. So it's not everyone that is actually doing that thing you think that they are doing. So I'm talking to you. It's not everyone that is packing shit in this country. Maybe few people that you know have actually done that. Doesn't mean that everybody is in that. And it's so annoying when you come out to say everyone in the UK is doing that. There's something called involving everybody, which is not the right phrase to use. Maybe you can say some people are doing that, which is normal. And honestly, nobody is something way bad. Maybe shit, so you shit too. Never shit. If you be woman, you never pack your picking shit. Your parents will still get old, you go still take care of them. Abi? If you know take care of them, there is no how you will definitely take care of someone in future in life. So no be new, no be bad thing. That aside, the reason why I am speaking to you, if you're watching this, or anybody that also have that notion that everybody here is doing that thing, that is false information. That shouldn't stop you from moving to this country. That shouldn't stop you from not coming to the UK because you think everyone is doing the same thing. That shouldn't stop you from not chasing your dream because you feel like if you come to this place to chase your dream, you end up regretting or you end up not achieving your aim of being in this place because see what they do. You can always choose your path. You can always create a new path. You can come in with a business idea. You can come in with a business mindset. You can do things that is new. And one thing about abroad, no be just this country alone. We say if you do something where you create as long as say the opportunity the way they is bring money for this country, you go see better opportunity. You go see better ways where you go use succeed for this country. For this country where we dey. I don't see a lot of people be say they never for once pack shit. But they don't get paper for the country. They never for once like do any manual job. I have some people say that even came into this country on visa route that is not even involve medicine. Involve medicine, involve packing shit, involve nursing, involve healthcare. Involve any of all those, minor stuff or even cleaning job, but they do well for this country. So make that your fear no stop you from moving to this country. Make that your fear no stop you say, because this thing they happen, I don't go come UK. Because this thing they happen, I go rather there for Nigeria better for your eye. You don't there for Nigeria for how many years? It don't better for your eye. I follow they pray for Nigeria. I am praying, I am hoping that Nigeria gets better soon. Hopefully, fingers crossed, and we are praying. But to be honest, we've been doing that for years. We've been praying, we've fasted for the country. I remember when I was still growing up, I don't even know much about praying for the nation, but guys, I was fasting. I'm praying that the nation gets better. I'm praying that the nation move forward. I'm praying that Nigeria gets better than how it is. But make I shock now. It get worse. It's getting worse, worst. It gets worse every time. every year. Each year you think it's gonna get better. No, it's getting worse. Each year you think we are going to like we are going to move from this level to the next level. No, we move 10 level backwards. And if you have the opportunity of leaving the country to create a better future for yourself and your kids, grab it with both hands. Move. If you have the opportunity of seeing ways, say you want, make your children enjoy life, do them. They will thank you. They will live to thank you forever. So this is me just coming to tell you, say, that fear, that's where they fear. Say everybody they do that thing, not lie. This is me coming to tell you that it's not everyone that is packing shit in the country. It's not everybody that is doing that. People are doing good jobs. People are working in the government house as well, law firm. People are doing it, business sector, banking sectors. People are doing it. So don't be scared. If you have the opportunity of moving here, do it. Let's have a discussion down in the comment section. Like I said, I do love to have discussions with you, my lovely people. I do love to like talk to you people down in the comment section, like to read your comments and see what you guys have to say about what I'm saying. If I'm actually blabbing or if I'm actually making points. Do you think I'm kind of blabbing or I'm making points? Let me know down in the comment section. Let's have this talk. Let's talk about this. Do you think what I said is actually the truth, that not everyone is actually packing shit in the country and a lot of people are doing well in the country? Let's just advise those people that are yet to enter this country. Let them see something to like hold on to and kind of motivate them to like move into this country. Let me know, and I'll get to see you guys next on my other videos. Until then, bye.
That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that.